We got a little bit of damage on the driver's side rear here. Not sure if it was a door or a rock. You see we're right on the fender line, and kind of underneath there you get a little bit of paint that is kind of hanging on, chipped off there. So we're going to start out, try to get rid of anything that's delaminating like that, do a little bit of sanding, and show you what that looks like. Okay, I hit it with a little 600 grit sandpaper to start, just to kind of see what it was doing. Got this little plastic razor blade here, and I'm going to try to just kind of work around the edges. Had that one big chunk come off, and it looks like the rest is still pretty well attached. And I think I may start with something more like 320. Try to blend that edge before we put any filler primer on it. So. We just want to try to feather that in as best we can. You see we got a little bit of shiny metal there. So not too bad. Show you kind of the underside view there. You can see really well that down to about the metallic layer ring around the outside of where the chip was. This area right here, I need to do a little bit more work, get it a little smoother. Now that everything's kind of cleaned up a little bit, I can definitely feel the detent in the sheet metal. Makes me think this was a door of some sort, which is unfortunate. You know, other people don't value other people's things as much as they should, but we'll fix this up. I'm no paint expert here, but done my fair share of kind of quick repairs like this. So continue to work with the 320 grit till we get this kind of blended really nice and smooth in here, and start moving up around the outside of the clear. Hit it with some primer, do a couple sanding steps of the primer, and I don't have the paint yet, so this will kind of be a multi part video here where I'll likely put this sanding step once I'm done, show you how that came out, then do primer and sanding and the finished painting portions of the video. So not too bad, all told. Only been out at about 20 minutes, so going pretty well. And here's the finished product before priming. The final couple pictures still have a little bit of work to do on the primer before we start hitting the paint when it comes.